Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Ka step ka bakmen ya pi baro hagani ka step nga kwa ngai khublei yo chief minister jong ka jala Meghalaya ubole Jubab mardor ya ka jingdawa jong ka voice of the people party ban penmana pat ba no ya ka report jong ka expert committee warlaga ka party ka singo thamula ya ka jingkren ka jong chief minister ubole penpau ba ka daw ka bala penong ya ka sokar ba kama ban Permana pai ba ploy ya kani ka report ka day na marba kani ka report kala jrong pala bat kala kaya pala ngim pat ju kami asmo ko ya ka bakum kani ka jing ai daw jong ka sarkar lese ka sarkar MDA balai lam ka NPP ka pension ngrim ya ka policy da ka jing jrong bat ka jing kya jong ka policy nyuma ni don ka jing kamen ko scam baga sarkar kan shu kula thli ban panmana pai ba no ya kli ka report bangi the community passion ka sarkar jala kan panmana pai ba no ya kli ka report jong ka expert committee publish boy. Good morning everyone. In this morning I would like to thank the chief minister for his swift response to the demand of the voice of the people party in respect to the report of the expert committee. Even though the party feels it is rather strange to hear from the chief minister that the reason for the delay to announce the report of the expert committee is because the report was too lengthy and too heavy. This is the first time that we have come across this kind of an excuse. Perhaps the NPP led government determines the quality and effectiveness of a policy by the length and the weight of the policy document. Anyway, the party hope that this is not going to be an empty promise to the people and that soon the government will come out with a report without further delay. Thank you.